now we're going to go to the next object. And ladies and gentlemen, we're going to do the Cone Nebula. Which that was NGC 2264. Oh, the Cone Nebula. So everybody can see it. It's right there. It's wonderful. It's a black screen! Ah! Okay, so what I'm just doing here is... There we go. So then we can zoom in here. So that's the Christmas tree cluster right there. Oh, that should be perfect right there. And the cone sits right here. This is the Cone Nebula that sits right there. And then this is the Christmas tree cluster, which is right there. And then you're going to get nebulosity all throughout here. So if I stack this correctly, I should be able to pull out some detail in this. Now, Mark D'Antonio and Jurgen have both said that I won't be able to get much. They're most likely right. But as I said as an astronomer or astrophotographer, you got to try. You got to go for it. So you just gotta go for it. NGC 2359 Astro Nebula, you are very close. Yeah, I think I am. I think I'm very. I think I'm very close, but that's okay. The stars look pretty damn good for it being 12 minutes. Now, of course, you're getting that checkerboard feeling because it's not debayered. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna batch it. And we're going to do extract the red. Just like what we did with the rosette, we're going to do the same thing here. Yeah, because the rosette's 2239. And then this one's 2264. 2264 ends at that one right there. And we took 2, 4, we took 6, just like we did with the other one. So it's going to go super fast. Ready? Set, go. Bam, bam, just one after another. Just continuously keep going. There's the first one. There's the second one. Here's the... Oh, there's the one with the plane and the satellite. That one's gone. This one's number 5. And that one's number 6. Alright, so now it's done. Alright, so now we're going to flip it to Deep Sky Stacker. So I already got them pulled up here. Okay. And now we're going to play with the histogram. Right there. That should be perfect right there. And you can actually see it, the Christmas tree cluster extremely well. Look at that. And the Cone Nebula turned out really well, too. Well, that turned out really good. Now, which one is it that has the plane? That one. So we do not want that one in there. That one is a bad one. So we only got 5. Boo! That's okay. Okay. How do the stars look like in the middle? I think they look pretty damn good in the middle. Even the tiniest stars look pretty damn good. They look good to me. And we're gonna go. And we're gonna see what it looks like. Hopefully we're gonna get some detail. I can't make any guarantees, but we're gonna try. We're gonna see what we're gonna get. That furnace should go off temporarily. That furnace has been going on for a while. It's cold. What's the temperature outside? 13. It is 13 degrees outside. It is cold. Brr. Alright, it is done. Let's take a look and see what we got. We did get a lot of detail, which is good. Yeah, this actually turned out much better. Oh yeah, this turned out really good. Trying to pull out as much detail as I possibly can. Oh, the furnace went off. How about that? It should be pretty darn good. How do the stars look near the cone? Not bad. I like it. How do the stars look here? Pretty darn good to me. I'm waiting for, because it's on delay, so I just want to see what it looks like on the stream. Probably go just a slight bit darker. Oh no, maybe not. Can I zoom in on it? Yeah, I can. There we go. Now you can zoom in on it so you can really see the cone and really get the detail. That's pretty darn good to me. I don't know if I want to go to 4 degrees. What's that going to do? That might bring out a little bit more detail. Try that and see what that does. Nah, I don't like that. That's not good. No, no, no. Yeah, I like that a little bit better. Okay. Okay. We'll save that. Again, I'm not spending too much time on these, just enough so that way you guys can take a look at it and see what the images we got. And now we're going to flip it to Photoshop. I'm going to do the same thing. Create an exterminator. That's what it looked like before. And that's after. Alright. And now we're gonna just go nuts on it. And this turned out really darn good. I'm very impressed with this image. I mean, you're getting faint detail with some of this stuff, too. This one turned out absolutely phenomenal. I mean, I'm extremely impressed with this image. Trying to get it to be... There we go. I mean, that turned out really, really good for a one-shot colored camera. I'm very impressed with that image. The dust lanes, you can see them. You can actually see them in the image. That is crazy. Like, if you can notice it, it's all in here. There's, like, all dust. Because you can see up at the top, like, there's actual stars, and you can actually, like, see the lines. And then if you look carefully, like, there's stars here, and then it's all, like, cloudy. Like, dusty and cloudy all throughout here, and dusty and cloudy there. And then there's the cone that sits right up here. And then the Christmas tree cluster is right here, and you can actually see it's like an upside-down Christmas tree. And if I work on this a little bit more later on, I could be able to pull out even more detail with the nebulosity. You can easily pull out more, and then you can see there's a little dark lane up at the left side here. Oh, I could so work with this. This is going to turn out extremely well. This is going to be insane for an image. Very, very impressed.